Well, I really create buy recommendations to try to help people understand the mining industry, which is my primary focus. There's a great deal of ignorance about the mining industry, and I'm trying to really help people understand the nuts and bolts of how the industry works and what they need to look for in terms of making money.
My name's Ken Cunningham. I'm the president and CEO of Miranda Gold Corp. Miranda Gold is a prospect generator. We're very active in the gold belts of both Nevada and Colombia. We then follow up our prospect generating with joint ventures. We currently have a treasury of almost $9 million and some big shareholders like Rick Rule and Sprott Global Resources.
Almaden is cored by a team of prospectors that have actually found mines. We went public in 1986. Since that time, we have 60 million shares out, 31 million in cash, gold, and equity positions. We are working on our largest discovery to date, and this year we think will be a year of fruition for that. We expect our maiden resource out shortly, and to be able to continue growing the company.
Eurasian Minerals is a prospect generation exploration company focused on the discovery of gold and copper worldwide. We're also a royalty company with a multi-million-dollar cash flow coming in from royalties on the Carlin Trend in Nevada in the United States. We have about 72 million shares outstanding and about 91 million shares fully diluted, so we run a tight share structure. We also have a low cash burn rate and about $27 million in the treasury right now, so we're well funded for the future.
My name is Joe Kizis. I'm president of Relied Gold Corporation. We have 57 square miles of properties in the Nevada gold trends. Our major project is the Wind Mountain Mine, and we've had very good success in developing a resource there. It's approximately 1 million ounces of gold, approximately 25 million ounces of silver. In the measured and indicated categories, we have a joint venture partner who's a seasoned miner, the Argonaut Gold Corporation. They're sponsoring an exploration program on the property.
The first thing I look at is management. Does the management have a good track record? Are they reputable? Can they raise money? Do they have good technical people that can really find out and can really get rid of projects that don't have potential and keep those that do? Then I'm looking at companies further down. Once it passes the management test, I'm looking to see what kind of projects they have, and then in terms of, are those projects valuable relative to other market opportunities?
Brazil Resources is a gold exploration development company focused on being a mid-tier gold producer in 4 to 5 years' time. It's got a strong management team headed up by Amir Nani, who took Uranium Energy Corp from exploration to production in less than 5 years' time, no debt. And the company currently has a strong balance sheet with over $7.2 million in cash as of October 31st, 2012.
Renaissance Gold has 12 projects fully funded with other people's money. It was a tough year last year in the market, but we grew our metrics 30% in terms of the amount of drilling that was getting done, the amount of money we were spending of other people's money. We increased our silver resource by triple. We've got lots of projects in the pipeline and a full portfolio, bringing lots of joint venture opportunity and exploration upside.
Riverside Resources is a prospect generator company working in Mexico. We have 7 projects drilling this year. We have over $7 million in the bank. We have the drilling with major companies like Cliffs and Antofagasta. That makes Riverside unique in that we have large projects in North America that are fully funded by partners funding the work.
My name is Joe Kizis. I'm president of Homestake Resources. It's a very simple story. We have 2 major mining companies working in our district that we've developed. We have about 60% of it in a property that's called Kinskutch, and we have a small resource that we expect to be developing this coming summer. Our major project in the district is the Homestake Ridge project. That's a joint venture with Agnico Eagle. They can earn a 65% interest by spending $25 million over a 5-year period.
We're a junior company based in Vancouver, and we're exploring in 3 jurisdictions in Durango, Mexico, Arizona, and New Mexico. We use our ability to network with majors to do the heavy lifting on the exploration programs. In Mexico, we have a resource on a silver lead zinc property. Freeport Exploration, the largest copper miner in the world, is going to spend up to $25 million on seeing whether they can develop a substantial mine. In New Mexico, we're doing the same thing. We have a copper gold property, and we're using other people's money, as I call it, OPM to finance it.
Investors can subscribe to my newsletter, and I do publish a monthly newsletter as well as a weekly newsletter that really keeps people up to date with respect to the latest news of the companies that are in my buy recommendation portfolio. People can subscribe to my newsletter by going to jtaylormedia.com. Website is miningstocks.com. You can follow me on Facebook and Twitter at jtaylormedia.